Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. I am your science teacher, Mrs. Hina Javed. Dear students, today we will discuss phosphorus, page number 22 and 23. We will discuss phosphorus introduction, its importance, functions, sources, deficiency. Phosphorus in the human body. We will discuss how is phosphorus important for our health and what its importance in our daily life. Firstly, we will discuss about phosphorus. Element name phosphorus. Symbol P. Atomic number 15. Atomic weight 30.9. It found in pair 3. Its number of electron 15. Number of proton also 15. What is phosphorus? Phosphorus is an important element in every body tissue. Phosphorus is an important element in every body tissue. Phosphorus is a mineral that makes up 1% of a person's total body weight. Means our body contains 1% phosphorus. It is the most abundant, means second most abundant minerals in the body. It is present in every cell of the body. Our body cells, each and every cells of our body contain phosphorus. Most of the phosphorus in the body is found in the bones and teeth. Bones and teeth are the main place where phosphorus is found. Natural forms of phosphorus is phosphate rock. What is phosphate rock? Phosphorite, phosphate rock or rock phosphate is a non-detrital sedimentary rocks that contains high amount of phosphate mineral. Phosphate rock is a natural form of phosphate. It contains high amount of phosphate minerals. The phosphate content of phosphorite or grade of phosphate rock varies greatly from 4% to 20%. Phosphorus pentoxide, P2O5, limestone and mudstones are common phosphate bearing rocks. These are the name of phosphate bearing rocks where phosphate is present. Limestones, mudstone, these are the rocks where phosphorus are present. Phosphate are usually used as a compound of phosphate ion in combination with one or more common element such as sodium. Sodium is present in sodium phosphate, calcium phosphate, potassium phosphate, aluminum phosphate. Phosphates are normally used as a compound. There are so many compounds of phosphates, but these are the most important, just like sodium phosphate, calcium phosphate, potassium phosphate. What are the functions of phosphate? Phosphate is very important element. Phosphorus is one element that performs a number of important functions. Means it is most important element. It combines with calcium. If phosphorus combines with calcium, calcium phosphate, which gives strength to bones and teeth. Means if phosphorus react with calcium and form calcium phosphate, then it gives strength to bones and teeth. Calcium phosphate is important for bones and teeth, growth of skeleton, but also for its maintenance. It is also important for the growth of skeleton and for the maintenance of skeleton. It is vital to the fundamental process of metabolism in the body. Metabolism process is doing well by the help of phosphorus. Deficiency. Due to the deficiency of phosphorus, what happened? Muscles weakness, bone weakness, low hemoglobin. Phosphorus deficiency may cause bone disease. Mainly due to the deficiency of phosphorus, bones disease will be produced, such as rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. These are the diseases. Rickets in children due to the deficiency of phosphorus. Osteomalacia in adults due to the deficiency of phosphorus. An improper balance of phosphorus and calcium may cause osteoporosis. And this is also a disease that is called osteoporosis. It is also produced by the improper balance, or we can say by the deficiency of phosphorus and calcium. So rickets in children, osteomalacia in adults, osteoporosis. These diseases are created or produced by the deficiency of mainly phosphorus. Sources: meat, eggs, milk, fish, nuts, plant and animal foods, protein and calcium, grain cereals and green vegetables and fruits. These are the main sources where phosphorus are present. Phosphorus is an essential element for plant and animal growth and is necessary to maintain profitable crops and livestock production. It also can increase the biological productivity of surface waters by accelerating eutrophication. It means phosphorus is also important for plant and animal growth. It is necessary to maintain profitable crops and livestock production. Eutrophication, the natural aging of legs or stream, brought on by nutrient enrichment. Its consumptions: 1250 milligram per day. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.